Hello. So I have a fun read aloud for you right now, one for you to just listen to and enjoy. It's called Scaredy Monster Rides a Bike. One sunny afternoon, Scaredy Monster goes out to play. He gets on his tricycle. His tricycle is old. It is too small. It creaks and moans. That means it makes like noises when he's riding it. Scaredy Monster pedals down the block. Creak, moan, creak, moan. Scaredy Monster sees a yard sale. His eyes grow wide. His heart beats fast. Creak! Scaredy Monster stops his tricycle. Scaredy Monster walks over to a bike. It is red. It is shiny. It is just the right size. It is perfect. Scaredy Monster has a plan. He hurries home. He goes to his bedroom. He dumps out his piggy bank. Clink, clink, clink. Scaredy Monster runs back to the yard sale. He buys the shiny red bike and he wheels it home. That night, Scaredy Monster had a dream. He dreams he is the fastest, bravest, best biking monster in the world. The next morning, Scaredy Monster cannot wait to ride his new bike. Mommy Monster asks if he wants bike lessons. Scaredy Monster says no, he can ride the bike by himself. Scaredy Monster put on his helmet and he hops on his bike. So now you guys have all ridden tricycles like we have at school. Tricycles have how many wheels? Three. So he has a bicycle. Look at how many wheels it has. Two. It is hard to learn how to ride a bicycle. When most of us learned, we have training wheels on it. And then once you get really good, your mom and dad takes them off and then you just have the two wheels. But it's not easy in the beginning. Scaredy Monster starts to move too fast. He tries to put his feet down too high. He cannot touch the ground. Scaredy Monster does not know how to stop. Scaredy Monster wobbles. He tips. Oh, he falls. Scaredy Monster is hurt. Scaredy Monster is scared. Scaredy Monster does not want to ride his bike anymore. Mommy Monster helps Scaredy Monster get up. They head home. Mommy Monster cleans and bandages Scaredy Monster's cut. She wipes his tears. Mommy Monster hugs Scaredy Monster. She tells him that trying new things, like riding a bike, can be scary. But with a little practice, riding a bike can be really fun. Mommy Monster and Scaredy Monster go back outside. Mommy Monster picks up the shiny red bike and she lowers the seat. Scaredy Monster gets on his bike. Now he can touch the ground! Mommy Monster shows Scaredy Monster how to push off. She shows him how to balance and how to steer. His bike wobbles. Scaredy Monster put his feet down to stop. He is safe! Scaredy Monster tries again and again and again. Mommy Monster helps. Push off! Balance! Steer! Now comes the next part. Mommy Monster shows Scaredy Monster how to pedal. Scaredy Monster takes a deep breath. He pushes off. He balances. He steers. He pedals. Mommy Monster lets go of the seat and Scaredy Monster is riding a bike. Scaredy Monster is glad he kept practicing. Mommy Monster was right. Scaredy Monster loves riding his new bike. Whee! The end. Okay, my friends, I hope you liked this book. And what I want you to remember about this story is that every time we try new things, it's hard and it can be scary. Just like when we first got our Chromebooks and started going on Seesawing, started logging in, it is a lot of information and sometimes we get frustrated, sometimes we get scared, but you have to keep practicing. And when you have someone at home to help you, maybe it's your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa, or your aunt or your uncle, your brother or your sister, or your babysitter, they can help you learn how to do it. That way you can do it on your own. And you should be very proud of yourself because you all work hard and you all are awesome. And I miss you all so much. Okay,